Wire pulling with wax lubricant? Let's face it, it's a job no one wants to do. It's a pain to apply because it drips all over the place. It gets all over everything, from hands to clothes, even carpeting, leaving stains and residue that are hard to clean up. At the end of a hard day's work, there's the inevitable mess to clean up. Klein Tools has the solution with its innovative foam wire pulling lubricant. Instead of applying lubricant onto the wires, Klein Tools foam lubricant is designed to be applied directly into the conduit. The foam fills the conduit and coats the wires as they are pulled through. A simple application and the foam stays put, no dripping, even when used in vertical conduit. And Klein Tools foam wire pulling lubricant wipes away clean. It won't stain your hands, clothing, carpet, or any other fabrics. No drips and no stains means no mess to clean up at the end of the day. Plus, 1 can of Klein Tools foam lubricant has 4 times greater yield than gels or waxes. And this 19-ounce can is much easier to carry on the job site than 4 quart-sized bottles of gel or wax. Klein Tools, for professionals since 1857.